Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a button in React Native. So here you can see I am displaying one button, and on click of it I'll just click this button, and if you see my Metro bundler here, it is displaying one console log. So if I click on it again, here you can see. So all you have to do is you have to use this touchable opacity from React Native. So here you can see, and it has on press function. So on press event you can do whatever you feel like. I'm just doing a console log, and here I'm just taken one text, and here for the text you can apply whatever style you want, so font size as well as color, and this is the text for that particular button. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Sorry, one more thing, there is something called pressable as well. So instead of touchable opacity you can also use pressable. Let's see if it works or not. Like I did find some issues with pressable on Android, so here you can see it works fine on iOS. You can test it on Android, use pressable or touchable opacity, whatever makes sense to you. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.